Welcome to EY.AI Unplugged. In this series, we are going to talk about the transformative potential of AI for the Indian economy, how it touches the various sectors. We will also talk about what are the building blocks to be successful in AI and what the government of India can do to facilitate the adoption of AI in India. So, economies grow when the productivity grows, and productivity grows when there is new technology which can be used. Now, Gen AI is the latest technology which is available in India and globally. And we have done some simulations, and we believe that Gen AI will have two impacts. One, what it will do is improve productivity. Second, it will lead to creation of new products and new services. And then we deep dived into the various sectors to see what the impact would be like. And our numbers suggest that the Indian GDP can get a kicker of $1.2 to $1.5 trillion over the next 7 years. And this is across sectors. There is practically no sector which will not benefit from Gen AI, but some of the more prominent ones are sectors like healthcare, financial services, education, logistics. It's actually all the sectors which set to gain from Gen AI being implemented in India. So I'd say there are 5 building blocks which are there for Gen AI. The number one is that there needs to be access to data, because without data you can't create algorithms. The second thing is you require computing power, you require digital infrastructure which is there. Then what you require is access to finance. You require money to be able to create this. You require a workforce which is equipped in being able to design the algorithms. And lastly, you require regulations which will facilitate the development of AI and give confidence to the developers that there are no hidden risks or nothing unknown which will happen once it is implemented. So I'd say the government has a very, very pivotal role, and without the government coming in, AI is not going to develop very quickly. So first of all, a government can help in making sure that more and more data is available. This can be done in various ways. One way is to make more data available in the public domain. Secondly, you can translate a lot of documents which are available in local languages so that they can be used for local LLMs. And then you can set up data marketplaces which can help entrepreneurs to be able to get access to data. Then it is providing access to GPUs, and the government's already announced a program by which they would be financing the acquisition of GPUs which will be available to startups and individuals so that they have the computing power which is available to them. Third thing is government can have incentives for innovation and also facilitate availability of finance. So in fact, in the latest budget, the finance minister has promised rupees 1 lakh crores as money which will go to entrepreneurs for new technologies. Then what you require from the government are regulations which will support the development of AI. And one of the ideas, for example, is to set up regulatory sandboxes which can facilitate the development of new algorithms. You can have watermarking. And lastly, what I'd say is to put all this thing together, the government requires institutional capacity. And we have past examples which are there. For example, the development of Aadhaar or the development of UPI, which was set up by specialist agencies. So the government would need to work and create capacity within itself so that the policy can be implemented. Yeah, I'd say, this is the most exciting technology which is there. the potential is unlimited, and we together can create a future which is very exciting and very different from what we see today.